In this video, I will be demonstrating how to perform the drag latency measurement using the WALT device. To run the drag latency test, in addition to the WALT device, you will also need a laser. This laser has to shine into the photosensor on the side of the WALT device, located here. The laser must shine across the Android device horizontally. In order to make this work, I have some modeling clay with me, and I fix the laser onto this modeling clay. I turn the laser on, and I make sure that the laser light points into the photosensor. And we can see a beam on my finger right here. If you have correctly set up your laser beam to point into the photosensor on the WALT device, you should see a green LED on the side of the WALT device here turn on. As you interrupt the beam, you should see this green LED turn off. If this light is not on or does not turn off when you interrupt the beam, you have not set up the laser beam correctly. You probably need to reposition the laser beam to make sure that the laser does go into the photosensor on the WALT device. Once you have the laser beam set up to shine horizontally across the Android device into the photosensor on the side of the WALT device, you're ready to begin the drag latency test. Press the drag latency button and then press the start button at the top of the screen. You should see a green line move up and down, and that is a guide for your finger to follow as you're dragging up and down. Touch the screen and move along with the green line. Once you've moved up and down several times, press the check mark to end the test. As you are dragging your finger up and down, you'll see two counters in the top right of the screen get higher. The green number represents the number of times your finger has entered or exited the laser beam. You'll also see a green light on the side of the WALT device that is on when the laser is shining into the photosensor and is off when your finger interrupts the beam. While the test is running, you should see this light turn on and off as your finger crosses in and out of the beam. Here we see that the calculated drag latency is 16.7 milliseconds.